What's the meaning of big top? Big top. Big top.
Big top. Big top. The term big top typically refers to the main tent used in a circus. The big top is usually the largest and most prominent tent, and is where the circus performances take place. It is often supported by a large number of wooden poles and ropes, and can cover a considerable area. The big top has become an iconic symbol of the circus, representing the magic and excitement of the circus experience. Despite modern advancements in technology, the big top still remains an integral part of the traditional circus performance, and continues to captivate audiences of all ages with its colorful and awe-inspiring displays.